public property. This is public property owned by the state, which means I have every right to be here. You can kick rocks.
No, but you don't have any right to be
Yes, I
recording
can.
it.
I can record anything I can see from a public space,
No, you
including
can't.
through the windows. You are stupid and you do not know the law.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. I can record anything I can see from a public space.
Not
and
inside the building when there's kids inside.
Bullshit. Bullshit.
That is bullshit.
Bullshit.
You're bullshit.
No, you're bullshit because you don't know
need
your
to
laws.
get off the
This
property.
is public property funded by taxpayers. That means the public has the right to come here, and anything I can see from public, I can record. That's why they have lines.
Okay, why are you here recording anyway?
Because this is what I want to do.
For what reason?
Because
to
I
harass
want to.
them?
Because I don't like DCFS. How about
Why?
that? Because they're a bunch of kitty kidnappers. They don't serve the better interest of the public. They take well-behaved children out of perfectly good homes and put them in foster care so they can enrich themselves. That is true.
No,
you don't know what you're talking about. How old are you? Like 20?
26 years old.
Yeah, you don't know what you're talking about. I'm twice your age, buddy.
Okay, well, good for you.
I'm twice your age. I've seen what these people do.
Arrogant fucker, isn't
he? Yeah, totally.
Yeah,
That's Goins. Or is it Goins? You related to Candy and Gary Goins?
I don't have to answer.
Oh, okay. No, you don't.
In other words, he is.
But you are a public servant,
I
right?
am.
Okay, cool.
And I'm here to help them because you're harassing.
I'm not harassing anybody, you dumbass. I was walking around. They came out and approached us.
I'm not calling you names.
I don't care. You're a cop. Take it like a man. You're a cop.
I'm sitting here.
Take it like a man.
But I'm not.
Don't cry about it because I called you a name. You'll be all right. I promise. You'll be okay.
Okay, so here's what's
You'll
going to
make
happen.
it.
We're going to leave the property.
You are.
Or we can leave in the car.
Yeah, you can leave the property.
You're gonna arrest me for trespassing on public
Yeah.
property? That will not hold up in court, buddy.
Well,
public property.
then you can
The
fight
public
with the
has the right to be here. I am not inside the building. I have every
You might want to
right
call a
be on this property.
supervisor.
He's
Yeah,
on
you
his
call your
way.
supervisor.
Okay.
He's on
Yeah,
his
good
way.
deal. Yeah, I have every right to be on this property. Every right. I'm not in the building. The blinds are
you're trying to
closed.
record
The
in the
blinds
building.
are closed.
No, we're recording from outside.
Right, from outside.
We're not in the
through
building.
window. If I can see
Have they
it,
been in the building today? No.
if I can see it, I can record it. You cannot trespass my eyes. Period.
Trespassing from the
No,
property.
you can't. It's public property, dude. It's like me going to the courthouse and being on the property of the courthouse outside, and you telling me you're going to trespass me from there. You can't freaking do it. It's public property, dude.
Okay. Well,
Understand how public property works. Time, place, and manner. As long as I'm there at the proper time, when they're open, I'm conducting myself in the proper manner, and I'm in the proper place, public space.
You see
all that matters.
You see his shoulder patch? He's a
You want-
proud gang
you
member.
need Supreme Court case law to back this up? Because I can give you some before you make a really bad mistake
my supervisor.
and cost your department a lawsuit. You do not want to do
Okay.
that.
How about this? You got any?
Hey, Brian, how you doing? That's Brian Watkins. Yeah, I know who he is.
He's a proud gang member. He's got the
chief.
blue line flag on his shoulder patch.
Yeah, he's the chief. That's Brian Watkins. He's the chief.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Look at that. Blue line
Public
flag.
property, Brian. Public property. It's owned by the state, Brian. You understand that, Brian? It's public property paid by the taxpayers.
Stearns.
All right, guys, this situation erupts fast. A citizen stands his ground on state-owned public property while officers wrongly claim recording is illegal. The filmer clearly explains First Amendment rights, repeating that anything visible from public space can be recorded. Insults fly, tempers rise, and threats of trespass are made without lawful basis. This moment exposes how quickly authority replaces law when officials don't understand their own limits.
To the public. As long as I'm here to
I'm great, but you guys need to change your patches up. You shouldn't have the gang symbol on your patches.
Yeah, that blue line is a gang sign. Bye, Watkins.
The drive of shame.
The drive of shame.
And the chief leads the parade.
Yep.
Howdy, guys.
How are you doing?
I'm well. How you doing?
Doing good.
All right.
Chief Butcher.
Chief Butcher, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How you doing?
I'm doing well, thank
Good.
you. Oh,
Yeah, help
pick
you.
up, nope, I got it. I'm good.
Hey, but this portion right here is a restricted area.
No, it's not. Where was the sign saying that?
It's right up there where you come down.
Yeah, that says vehicles only.
Okay, it also says restricted personnel only.
No, it
So,
doesn't.
Yes.
Come, you go show me here. And please, go ahead.
All right.
I'll follow you.
Oh, we'll walk beside you, bud. I don't
Oh.
like people walking at my back.
Yeah, well, I know how that goes.
Yeah.
So I saw that it said vehicle restriction, not personnel only.
Authorized personnel only.
And that's a visiting center there. So I walked through it that way.
That parking lot is. This portion is not, though.
Oh. Well, we'll take a look at this. See, I saw these, no trespassing, which is obvious. You can't hop the fence,
Yeah,
right?
don't climb the fence.
Now, I got a question.
Yeah.
Up here it says 120 feet. How can that be possible on a street?
It's a known distancing that we use for measuring things like such as radars and stuff like that. There's another sign up there. So this is a known distance, 120 feet.
Which is known distance from what?
There's a marker. There used to be a marker up here.
Okay.
And we would stand there and calibrate certain things based off of that certain tools that we use.
Huh.
But since the construction, the line's kind of been taken out.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. It's right there. I used to work here.
Did you?
Over at the JYS here. And I've been all around this building. I know there's no sense.
Authorized
Okay.
personnel.
Parking only.
Okay.
Parking only. So I'm not parking. I'm walking, correct?
You are.
Okay, so you can't tell me that I'm violating anything there, right? Okay.
I'm here to tell you the intent is that this is
your intent doesn't matter. That's a personal subjective opinion.
I get it.
So I can walk this way without any problems.
Okay.
Okay, so you agreed with that.
These right here, it's all personnel private parking's restricted, okay?
Personal private parking.
Okay.
Get that into your head.
Okay.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Okay, perfect. Then we're done here. I don't have anything else to talk to you guys about, okay?
All right.
All right, thanks.
Hello.
How you doing today?
Pretty good. Name and badge number? Or
I
ID?
don't have a badge number, sir.
Name?
I don't have a name either.
What do you mean you don't have a name?
As a federal officer, I'm not required to give you my name. I can tell you that I'm a border patrol agent here with Laredo North, and all I'm doing is a brief immigration inspection. This is simply because when you went around the west access in this vehicle with this type of trailer, you've given me some sort of reasonable suspicion. That being, we've had recent cases with vehicles of this type. So I'm just...
Listen carefully. This is where the power shift happens. A chief arrives, and the argument moves from shouting to facts. Restricted area claims fall apart when signage is examined closely. Parking restrictions are confused with walking access, and intent is wrongly used as enforcement. Step by step, the citizen dismantles each claim. Eventually, officers concede he violated nothing. Knowledge, not volume, ends this confrontation.
Here to conduct a brief immigration inspection. Once I finish that, send you guys on your way. Have a great day.
Is it illegal to circumvent the checkpoint?
No, it is not. But it is reasonable suspicion to circumvent the immigration checkpoint, and especially in a vehicle of this type, where I just said we had multiple cases of human smuggling with vehicles of this type hauling trailer. That's why I'm asking for a brief immigration inspection.
Do you know how many times I circumvented the checkpoint?
A number of times, I'm guessing, so it happens more than once. So,
At this point, am I being detained?
no, you're not. Oh, sir. How are you doing today? Do you know why I stopped you today?
I don't.
Do you mind rolling down the window a little bit?
No, that's fine.
Okay. All right, sir. When you went around the checkpoint, one extremely high rate of speed. I'm doing a public safety stop.
Who are you?
United States Border Patrol, sir.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Second, you circumvented.
You enforce traffic?
Hey, sir.
You enforce traffic
Secondly,
laws? Do you enforce transportation?
I do not. But
Okay.
I can make a public safety stop if it's for public safety. When I was behind you, that was in excess of 85 miles an hour.
What safety concern do you have?
I have safety concern for your high rate of speed on an unimproved road.
Do you have radar on your vehicle?
I'm trying to get to this.
You have radar on your...
You circumvented an immigration checkpoint. I'm not here to argue.
Is that against the law?
Circumventing an immigration checkpoint
Is it against the law to circumvent a checkpoint?
circumventing
Is it against the law to
circumventing an immigration checkpoint is reasonable suspicion
For what crime?
for alien smuggling and narcotic smuggling.
You suspect me of
I just want to do a
smuggling?
quick immigration inspection and put you on your way.
You suspect me of smuggling?
Sir, I'm just doing a quick immigration.
You said you had reasonable suspicion.
Yes.
Of what crime?
This is reasonable suspicion.
What crime?
For alien and narcotic smuggling. This is a no route for alien and narcotic smuggling.
You believe I'm smuggling or have narcotics?
No, I just want to talk to you and do my.
You know how reasonable suspicion works?
Yes, I do.
How does it work?
Simply, we have to have reasonable suspicion to stop a vehicle.
For what? Reasonable suspicion of what? Of a crime.
Of a crime.
What crime do you suspect me of committing?
Narcotics and alien smuggling.
You suspect I have narcotics?
Sir, that's why we're doing the investigation right now.
Well, you can't pull over people because you have a hunch.
Yes, it's not a hunch, sir. It's reasonable suspicion.
What reasonable suspicion?
All right, guys, just when it seems over, federal authority steps in. A Border Patrol agent initiates a so-called brief immigration inspection, citing reasonable suspicion based on vehicle type and checkpoint avoidance, something admitted to be legal. The explanation keeps changing from immigration to speeding, from suspicion to safety. Questions are dodged, definitions blur, and reasonable suspicion is repeated without clearly identifying an actual crime.
I just told you, sir, circumventing the immigration
Objective,
checkpoint
reasonable
is.
suspicion that I
Sir,
committed
are you a U.S. citizen?
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions. Ma'am, are you a U.S. citizen?
She doesn't answer questions.
All right. Give me one moment, sir. Hey, sir. You're good to go. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for your time.
Okay. I'll see you later, sir.
All I'm saying is, I need you to answer a brief question.
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer
No,
questions.
sir. If you don't want, if you don't, you know what? If you don't even want to identify yourself as a, you're a piece. I mean, you're a public servant. You're a public servant.
I'm a federal agent.
But so I can't get your name. I mean, what if I want to file a complaint?
You can call and complain, and I can tell you. I can tell you that.
Who am I gonna say? Well, I gotta
complain.
complain.
November 446.
Oh, okay.
Would you like
there you
that?
go. At least that. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
yeah,
of course,
no, that's
of course. So I'm gonna go ahead and file a complaint with supervisors and stuff
Okay.
like that because.
Feel free to do so. You're going to call the Laredo North Border Patrol Station. It's the one on McPherson Road. And that's all.
If I'm not being detained, have a
my
great day.
question now?
No, sir. You just say I'm not being detained. All right, have a great day.
Let me phrase myself. Now you're being detained.
Okay. Under what reasonable articulable suspicion?
Sir, I've just explained it twice to you, man. Like, do I have to go through it a
Of
third
course, circumventing the checkpoint is not illegal.
time? It's not. And I've explained to you my
So this is an illegal detainment.
It's not a detainment. It's not an illegal detainment, sir.
It is.
No, it's not.
You can't pull people over.
Yes.
Name and badge number. What's your name? Vega.
Vega. Yeah.
So can I see that one right there? What did you say?
I don't have to give you my name.
Well, I'm asking you politely. You're asking me politely, right?
Hey, sir, you haven't provided your name, so I'm not going to provide.
My name is Luis. That's all I'm gonna give to you, man.
Okay.
All right. So just Google my goddamn fucking company and find out who I am.
Okay.
This is absurd. I cross every week.
Well, bro, this is the first time I'm meeting you.
And guess what? I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back 5 times right now. And you ain't gonna do nothing about it. And this is harassing. This is what it is.
No, it's not harassing.
So all right. I
just
mean,
wanted this quick answer.
I ain't gonna help. I ain't gonna answer. I ain't gonna help you with your investigation. I'm done talking.
All right, so
Yeah, all right.
look,
That's fine.
good?
He's good. Yeah. Have a wonderful day, sir.
Likewise.
Again, November 446.
All right.
Thank you.
Here's the problem. Detention without clarity is still detention. Citizenship questions are asked and refused. The agent disengages, returns, then finally releases the driver. Badge numbers appear only after pressure. The encounter ends politely, but the contradictions remain on camera. All right, guys, this documentary proves one thing. Rights only work when you assert them, understand them, and record everything.